palm trees. Ta-da! So the materials that we needed are glue, acrylic paint and paintbrush, computer paper. So I'm gonna start by gluing the computer paper in the tree. So we're gonna glue that, we're gonna place it here. Straighten up, and the other one. Just gonna put glue here, and we're gonna stick it around. So after that, let it dry, and you can start to paint. So I'm gonna use the navy blue first. Going, don't try any strokes, just use the straight line stroke. Be cool, and I'm gonna follow that by the lake blue. So you can follow the color scheme from the darker to the light. Then use down, just keep brushing the edges, just keep going down, keep brushing and brushing. Why acrylic paint? Okay. Don't forget to brush your brush so it won't mix up, especially when you add another colors. Just keep mixing it out, keep using, keep feel the edges, the white edges. I can see the changes now. And now I'm gonna use the gold yellow acrylic paint to represent the sun as it goes down. And that's the best mistakes. I always told you guys, don't forget to brush your brush, especially when, don't forget to wash your brush. And then another gold yellow to represent the sun. Like what I've been telling earlier is that don't forget to wash your brush in the middle of the cup with some piece of water. I don't have a lighter color for now, so to make it lighter, I'm gonna use the white acrylic paint. And for the sand, I'll be using the brown. Just imagine, I think it really seems like, chocolate with milk. Cute. I don't think it's a sand, but it's just for the background. Actually, guys, you can use this especially when you're doing a review, and especially for the kids who starting to love arts. And I'm gonna use black for the palm trees. You can just search for the internet. What I did is that I searched for the internet. Oh my goodness, it's so confusing. Okay, I'm gonna start this curvy line. While I'm starting to sketch a circle. Fill a circle until it goes bigger. And it stops until it goes down. Keep going. And we're gonna draw the leaves. Straight line and down, and the leaves, the branch of the tree, the branch of the palm tree. Carefully brush it up. Carefully when you handle the brush, I think you guys make better than me. I don't know. I know I'm not really good at painting, but for you guys, I will give my best. I just searched this from the internet. It was really easy as they take. As you can see, it's really easy. I think you can do better than mine. Just keep brushing the edges. And again, for the top. Carefully brushing it out. For the leaves of the tree. Oh yes, it's on 6 branches. And now let's start another palm tree. The way it started. Oh, oops. Oh no. I'm just gonna keep filling in the little circle spots. And then I'm gonna stroke the branches and the leaves. It's gonna fade a little while. Keep going to the top. Alright. And we're gonna do the birds. It's really easy. It's easy as fun. I know. Ever since I'm a kid, I really try those. Okay, and you're done. Okay, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, guys, for your time, and we will see you next time. Bye.